Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach the dance called Everybody Dance. This is a 32 count 4-wall dance with one easy little tag. This is also the dance selected for, or one of the dances selected for the 2026 Flashmob, the International Line Dance Flashmob. All right, let's get started. Face the front wall, wall 1 or 12 o'clock. All right. There's no syncopation in this dance, so we're going to count to 8 all the way through each section. It's a 32 count dance, like I said, so we have 4 sections of 8 to learn. You start with your weight on your left. We're going to walk forward 4 steps, which is right, left, right, left. Now we're going to do 4 hip bumps. So right, left, right, left. Okay, so the hip bumps go that direction, right, left, right, left. During those hip bumps, you can raise your arms slowly as you're doing them, right? Optional, I would say, and in the demo video, I do some of them I do with the arm raise and some of them I just skip, but that's up to you. All right, so let's do section 1 together. Start with our weight on our left. We're going to walk forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8, walk right, left, hip, 2, 3, and 4. All right, let's do it this time with the count. And this time I'll do my arm raise. Weights on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so when you end those hip bumps with the weight tilted to your left, that leaves your right foot ready to go for section 2. So we raised our arms, or you didn't, either way is fine. You're gonna step back and touch. We're gonna do a series of 4 of those, back and touch. On the touch, you're going to do a double clap, then a single clap. You're going to do a double clap again, and then a single clap. So it goes like this. Starts with your weight on your left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, double clap, back, single clap, back, double clap, back, single clap. Okay? And during the claps is when you're touching the other foot. Okay, so we're going to do this now together again. We're going to back and double clap, back and single clap, and then repeat that exact same thing. So weights on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, clap, clap, back, clap, back, clap, clap, back, clap. All right, let's do that with the count. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do this from the top. First half of the dance, we're going to start with our weight on our left. We're going to take those 4 steps forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk right, left, hip, 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 hip. Back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap. All right, this time with the count. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that brings us to section 3. Section 3, you ended this previous section with the weight on your left. So your right foot is ready to go. We're going to do 2 point touches to the side. So point, touch, point, touch. That's with your right foot. Then we're going to vine to the right. So side, behind, side, and end it with a touch. All right, do that with me. Weights on my left. Point touches. 5, 6, 7, 8. Point, touch, vine behind, side, touch. All right, this time with the count. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I would add that to the beginning, but I want to just squeeze in that last section because it's just a mirror image of what we just did, all right? And then that'll bring us to the end of the dance. So what we're going to do is the same thing, the 2 point touches, okay? With our left foot leading, we're going to do a vine with our left foot leading, and the only change we're going to make is do a quarter turn on that 3rd step of the vine, brush our right foot, and that gets us to the next wall. So the next wall is the wall to your left, or the 9 o'clock wall. This dance travels in a counterclockwise fashion. All right, so with your weight on your right, we're going to do point touches to the left. So 6, 7, 8, point, touch, vine behind, turn, brush. Okay, this time with the count. Again, weights on my right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, since we clumped the last 2 sections, 3 and 4 together, let's do it from that point. So the second half of the dance, and then we'll combine everything. All right, so we got this point touch series with the vines. All right, this time we're going to start with our weight on our left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, point, touch, vine behind, side, touch, point, touch, vine behind, turn, brush. All right. Okay, so that's the whole dance. So let's put all those 2 halves together now. Dance the whole thing through, first with the words and then with the count. Weights on my left, if you remember, we start with those 4 steps walking forward. So 5, 6, 7, 8, walk right, left, hip, 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 back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap. Point, touch, vine behind, side, touch. Point, touch, vine behind, turn, brush. Okay? That's the whole dance. This time with the count. Here we go. Weights on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that is the entire dance. We just have to talk about this tag for a moment. All right, so this dance, as I said, travels in counterclockwise. You're going to make 2 complete cycles going all 4 walls. So that means when you get to this front wall for the 3rd time, that will be wall 9, and you'll see on the step sheet or my slide, either one, it'll say the tag is done at the end of wall 9. So of course at the end of a wall, you've actually made the turn, you've just made the turn, getting ready for the next wall, okay, or for the next next wall in the dance start again. So we're gonna just insert a quick tag. I'm gonna do it from this direction so you can see. And it's just an easy 4-count tag. And so you will have turned, okay, and done that vine with a brush. We're gonna come down with our right foot and do 2-step touches, one to the right, one to the left, all right? So when you brush your foot, you're gonna step right, touch left, step left, touch right. And then you'll start the dance again with walk, 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 okay? All right, so do that tag with me. Weight would be on your left. So 6, 7, 8, right, touch, left, touch. This time with the count, just the tag, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dance the front wall, and we're gonna pretend like we've been going around the room and we're now at the 9th wall, or the 3rd time of doing this cycle starting in the front, and we're gonna add that tag. I'm gonna be facing 9 o'clock when we get there and do the tag, all right? And then I'll probably just do just a little bit of that next wall just so you can see the flow of the dance. All right, just with the words though, so here we go. Again, we're gonna pretend this is wall 9 and add the tag. Weights on your left, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk right, left, hip, 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 back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, back, clap, point, touch, vine behind, side, touch, point, touch, vine behind, turn, brush. Now tag, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, or step, touch, walk, 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 hip, 2, 3, 4. All right, that's how the tag works. Only happens that one time, and then you're do the dance a couple more walls, and then it'll end. All right, so hope you found this video helpful. Take a look at the demo. The tag will be clearly labeled in that demo, and I will see you another time.